Joshua D. Baradas from Dash 1, and I'm going to discuss about how to get running peaks and dead reckoning with estimated position. So let's start. You sighted a South Stock Lighthouse at 310 sa oras na 1200 R. And that's your LOP1. And then after sa oras na 1310, nakita mo ang lighthouse na Laura sa 075 degree. Ay 045 degree. And then that's your LOP2. And then gagawa na tayo ng dead reckoning. Kahit saan dito, pwede kayo gumawa ng dead reckoning. Pero ang gusto ko ay dito. So, ang course ng ating barko ay 75. So, iaangat natin yan. Yan. 0.75. Sa bilis na 10 knots. So, paano na natin makukuha ang ating dead reckoning? Meron tayong formula na distance over speed times time. So, paano natin makukuha yung time is 1200 minus 1310. So, 110 at i-divide natin sa 60. So, ang labas na ito ay 1.83, and that's our time. So, may speed siya na 10 knots at times natin siya at makuha natin distance na 18.3. At paano natin makuha ang 18.3? Gamit ang ating ruler, dahil wala tayong compass rose, ay ito. Ito ang ating barko. Pero napansin mo, yung barko mo ay nandito. So, merong current. May current. Ngayon, paano natin malalaman ang speed nito? Ang speed ng ating current. So, meron din siyang formula na kagaya sa dead reckoning na distance over speed times time. Ang ating time is 1.83. Ang ating distance ay susukatin natin itong vessel natin dito, yung drip niya. So, nasa 8 nautical miles. So, 8 divided by 1.83 is equals to 4.4 knots. And that's our estimated position. So, paano na natin ngayon makukuha ang ating running peaks? Idadrag natin itong LOP1 sa ating estimated position. So, and that's your running peaks, guys. So that's it. So I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you.